Software. In this video, we are going to see how hire purchase can be managed using Jainam Software. Hire purchase is kind of like a system where you can basically, you as a financer or a shopkeeper, give the consumer products like mobile, vehicles, or electronic goods, or any sort of consumer product. You can give it to customer on installments. So it is very important that you should have some sort of system which can manage your installment creations and manage the repayment of the amount. So let's take a look how hire purchase can be managed in this software. So I have already logged into Jainam Software and this is the home screen. Now here, whenever customer will come, I will have to create customer entry in customer menu, create option, and then I will have to create a customer entry here. So let's say I enter customer name as, let's say, Rahul. Okay. And I just click save. Okay. So there are a lot of information required for customer, but I assume that I have created Rahul's entry. Okay. Now, next thing is, let's see if I already have Rahul as customer created, so I can search here. Oh, there's no customer created here. Maybe I can go ahead and search with some other customer. So once customer entry is created, I can just simply search the customer name from customer here. Okay. Now customer create, I did not focus more on customer create because it's straightforward. You can also log into Jainam Software and explore different options provided in customer creation. Okay. Now I have created customer and I can search customer here. Okay. Now next thing is that definitely, as I'm going to give the consumer good to this customer on installment, then it means I need to have a lot of documentation done. So where in this system you can do documentation using upload documents, you can see option upload document. Okay. And I have already uploaded 5 documents here. So for example, you can see I clicked on 5 documents link there, and you can see there are 5 documents uploaded here. Okay. Now document verification in this system can be done in 2 ways. One, you can verify document automatically using you can, if you are like registered company with government, then you can directly connect to government system and then verify, for example, PAN, driving license, Aadhaar, and bank. You can verify everything using a government system. Okay. But whereas if you are not you do not have any registration with government and you are just like a kind of like a shopkeeper or a distributor, then you can, what you can do is you can upload documents and verify manually. Okay. So let's assume that verification of the customer is done. Now next thing is we need to create a loan. Okay. Now here I clicked loan button and then I came to this loan creation screen. Now important thing is, if you are a vehicle distributor, you can select vehicle here. If you are a product, like for example, let's say mobile products or electronic products, you can click product as an option, and then you can enter details here. So maker like Sony, model is like LED, color black, year. Then here REG is registration, you can enter the registration details. Then dealer, if you're the dealer, then you can simply enter the, you can skip this part because you are a dealer. Whereas if some other party is a dealer and you want to basically fund the consumer goods, then you can enter the hypothecation name and other details here, and amount is what the actual amount of the product. Okay. So financial amount you can enter, and then you can enter the product price and the financial amount, how much finance you are going to do. Let's say for a electronic TV, I'm going to enter 50,000 as the installment with as the principal or the value of the good. Then rate of interest 2% monthly. Then interest with principal, how I'm going to do the collection. So I'm going to collect principal plus interest as part of installment. You have a different option also here, for example IRR, internal rate of return, so you can select that option also. For simplicity I'm just selecting interest with principal. Now let's say I select for 52, instead of day I select week. Okay, and then let's calculate. It will calculate like 1195. Here you can see that installment 1195 for 52 weeks. So 1195 is kind of like is not like you can, what you can do is make it simple. You can make it either 1150 or 1100 or 1200. Okay, so I'll make 1200, which is very close to 1195. So what will happen in this case, once I click save, so for 52 weeks I'm in each installment I am accepting 5 amount more, so which get adjusted to the last installment. Okay, so here you can see that loan is created, it's 84 number. Now here you remember that I searched customer name. Here you can search customer or loan number. Okay, I click search, and then here I get to know that 985. Okay, 985 as the installment. Let me see why it is giving 985. 985 on 3rd August for 52 installments. Okay, so okay, that's how it is calculated actually. Show installment tracker. So I can see in installment tracker how the installments are created. Amount 985, it is showing 985 is created there. That is fine. Okay, and then here you can see a lot of other options like legal notice. You can see, you can print the legal notice. You can also see statement of account. You can give the printout of this the details like who is the customer details, guarantor details, and how your the loan calculation is done, and then the statement of account, the particulars and other stuff. Okay, you can take a print and give it to customer. Then you can also see transaction details, late fees and other stuff. Okay, so this way you can manage your hire purchase using the Jainam software. And there are a lot of products you can basically configure in the software, and there are few other reports like if you have like 500,000 customers, so you can also see the expected collection here, that is in status report due list. So if I click refresh, I will get to know the list of all the customers here. If I go in my collection report and click daily collection, I will get to know the list of uh, all the collections done for today. Okay, similarly you can do a lot of things here. More than like 200 options are provided for you to run business smoothly as part of your hire purchase business. Okay, so uh, that's all about hire purchase. And if you like this, please subscribe, so that whenever we come up with a new feature, you will get notification automatically. As well as you can also just access the software from jainamsoftware.com/admin from web, or you can download Jainam software from Google Play Store or from Apple Store as well. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.